Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 tires. If you're in the market for the best all-season tires, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we dive into the details of these fantastic tires. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a closer look at the Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 tires. These are designed to offer top-notch performance on a wide range of vehicles, including CUVs, SUVs, and light trucks. Here are some key features that make these tires stand out from the crowd. Innovative tread compound. These tires are engineered to go the extra mile while providing you with all-season confidence. Whether it's rain, shine, or even light snow, these tires have you covered. Full-depth tread sipes. One of the things that make these tires special is their full-depth tread sipes. They work from the very first mile to the last, enhancing traction, handling, and braking. That means you'll feel confident on the road no matter the conditions. 3D sipe technology. These tires feature 3D sipe technology that works in harmony with the tread pattern to deliver a confident handling feel. Whether you're navigating dry or wet roads, you'll experience a comfortable and controlled ride. These Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 tires are ideal for use on some of today's most popular vehicles, including the Acura MDX, Audi Q5, Buick Enclave, Chevrolet Blazer, Dodge Journey, Ford F-150, GMC Yukon, and many more. So, you can trust that they'll fit your vehicle perfectly. Now, let's talk about the price and options. These tires come in various sizes, starting from just $168.22. With 37 different options to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your vehicle. When it comes to durability, these tires have a load capacity of 1,874 pounds and a tread depth of 1230 seconds. They can handle a maximum pressure of 44 pounds per square inch, making them reliable and robust. But don't just take our word for it. These tires have received rave reviews from customers, with a remarkable rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Customers love the quiet and comfortable ride these tires provide. I've had these on my Audi Q7 for a while now, and they've been absolutely fantastic. They're quiet, handle well, and the difference in performance compared to my old tires is night and day. I drive a Honda CR-V, and these tires have made a world of difference. The cabin noise is significantly reduced, and they handle great in wet conditions. Plus, the price was unbeatable. So, there you have it, folks. The Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 tires are the best all-season tires you can get your hands on. With their innovative features, compatibility with various vehicles, and outstanding customer reviews, you can't go wrong with these. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, drive safe and stay tuned for our next review. Thanks for watching.